Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome back to Winter on our 1 acre homestead. We've travelled a bit in July and just come back from our last trip, a road trip for work. The garden was looking pretty good upon our return. We have had some good rain recently, which always helps, but also did feed some things in the veggie garden before we left. And most excitingly, we returned home to our new wood-burning stove. It's been so lovely to have it installed. We used to have an open fire, and actually I love that little old fire. I love the crackle sound it makes. But also, this new one, although it doesn't crackle the same, the heat it pushes out is just fantastic. But still, outside, down in my biggest veggie patch that I call Sarah's Supermarket, it was drier than I expected. I think this area gets quite a bit of wind, and the wind can be really drying. So I did give it all a good hand water. The leeks are looking good, hey? Back inside, I decided it was time to use up the last of the autumn pumpkins. And actually, I only had 2 pumpkins this year, so I was looking forward to roasting this one up. The reason I had so few pumpkins this year was that I forgot to plant any until it was too late, and in fact the 2 I had self-seeded out of my compost. This year I'm planning to get in a bit earlier with planting pumpkin seeds. And by earlier, actually, I mean now. I decided that I would use these seeds and plant them in 3 different places to see if I can get some nice green lush pumpkin vines covering up some patches and keeping them a bit cooler during the heat of summer. And because I probably will forget where I plant them, otherwise I decided to make some little DIY labels, just some sticks with a bit of masking tape written on them, poked in the ground so I remember where I've put the seeds to see how they go. Looking back over the last couple of weeks, it's been an amazing experience milling this timber, and I'm feeling like we're so much more self-sufficient with wood for our new wood-burning stove, but also timber for future DIY and building projects. So I hope you'll come back to see how we keep developing the place, growing, creating and building things with wood and other recycled materials.